Picture this, a device that weighs more than a brick but does less than your smartwatch today. Welcome to the early 2000s, where phones were fragile, clunky, and held together by hope. This is where it all began. Fast forward a decade and everything changes. The iPhone drops in 2007, shattering expectations with its sleek glass face and responsive touchscreen. Suddenly, phones aren't just tools, they're portals to apps, music, and endless digital worlds. Now imagine a device that doesn't just connect calls but understands you. In the late 2010s, smartphones started listening, learning, and anticipating needs. No longer just tools, they became companions. But the real magic? These devices did.
By 2030, smartphones had transcended their role as communication devices to become integral parts of our health ecosystem. These pocket-sized powerhouses now monitor vital signs with precision, detect early signs of illnesses through advanced AI analysis, and even provide real-time feedback for fitness routines, all while maintaining seamless connectivity. But with great power comes great responsibility, and that's where the trade-off hits hard. Every time your phone learns something new about you, it's collecting data, analyzing habits, and making decisions behind the scenes. In 2030, this isn't just